This 2011 Toyota Tundra 2wd truck is located in Sacramento, California and has 5 miles on it. This has a beautiful silver sky metallic exterior paint color which is complemented by a black interior color. This vehicle features 18 alloy wheels incorporated, P275/65 or 18 tires, 4-piece carpet floor mats with door sill protector, AM/FM stereo WCD player incorporated, MP3/WMA playback capability 6, speakers XM satellite radio with 90-day subscription audio jack USB port with iPod connectivity Bluetooth hands-free phone capability and music streaming, BD step, cold weather package incorporated, HD back.